The drone market is on the edge of a total revolution. And if you have been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade your aerial gear, the news circulating about the upcoming DJI Neo 3 is about to change everything you thought you knew about portable cinematography. We're not just talking about a minor iterative update. We're looking at a fundamental shift in how prosumer drones will perform, handle, and capture the world around us. There is a palpable sense of anticipation building across the industry as leaks from supply chain insiders and regulatory databases suggest that the DJI Neo 3 is being engineered to dominate the ultra-portable category in a way that makes current competitors look like relics of the past. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The core of the buzz surrounding the DJI Neo 3 centers on its radical redesign, specifically the much-debated Open-Grille cooling system. For those who push their hardware to the limit in high-stakes environments, thermal management has always been the Achilles heel of compact drone flight. By integrating this advanced open architecture grille, DJI is reportedly unlocking higher performance ceilings, allowing the processor to handle 4K at 120 frames per second without the dreaded thermal throttling that plagues current-gen devices. This isn't just about smoother footage. It's about the DJI Neo 3 maintaining peak flight stability and processing power during long-form, high-intensity cinematic shoots. Imagine capturing hyper-slow motion sequences in 4K that look professional enough for high-end documentary work, all while flying a drone that fits into the palm of your hand. What makes the DJI Neo 3 so incredibly compelling is the leap in AI-integrated subject tracking. Early intelligence suggests a complete overhaul of the obstacle avoidance and predictive flight algorithms. We are hearing reports that the DJI Neo 3 will utilize a proprietary next-generation AI image processor capable of recognizing and tracking complex subjects in cluttered urban environments with near-zero latency. For creators who operate solo, this is the holy grail. The ability to rely on the DJI Neo 3 to autonomously navigate tight gaps, track fast-moving action, and frame the shot perfectly without constant pilot input means you can finally focus on the story you're trying to tell rather than the drone you're flying. It is a level of autonomy that bridges the gap between a consumer-grade toy and a high-end production tool. Let's talk about the sensor technology, because that is where the DJI Neo 3 is truly distancing itself from a field. Leaks point to a custom-tuned CMOS sensor specifically optimized for low-light performance. One of the biggest criticisms of previous ultralight drones has been their poor output in evening or indoor lighting. The DJI Neo 3 appears to be directly addressing this by incorporating a larger format sensor with an improved dynamic range profile. This means when the sun goes down or you transition from bright outdoors to dim indoor spaces, the DJI Neo 3 will maintain shadow detail and highlight retention that previously required much heavier, more expensive hardware. If you're a travel vlogger or a cinematic storyteller, this technical edge is the difference between usable footage and a wasted shoot. The architectural integrity of the DJI Neo 3 also seems to be getting a major boost. We are seeing early design schematics that suggest a move toward more rigid, carbon-reinforced materials in the chassis. This is a direct response to user feedback requesting better wind resistance in a sub-250-gram package. If the DJI Neo 3 can hold its position in higher wind speeds while maintaining that iconic palm takeoff and landing stability, it becomes the ultimate go-anywhere drone. It wouldn't just be an occasional tool. It would be the primary camera you carry every single day. The portability of the DJI Neo 3, combined with a redesigned, more efficient power distribution system, is expected to extend flight times significantly, potentially pushing past the current benchmarks and allowing for those critical extra minutes of airtime that can make or break a production. But why should you be paying such close attention to the DJI Neo 3 right now? Because the US market is currently in a complex regulatory environment, and understanding the rollout of a product like the DJI Neo 3 is vital for any serious creator. The rumors regarding its integration with the latest O4 transmission system suggest that even if the drone is compact, its range and signal reliability will be on par with professional flagship models. This ensures that when you are scouting locations or shooting remote vistas, the DJI Neo 3 stays connected, giving you a crystal clear, low-latency feed that you can trust. The technical specifications being leaked indicate that this device is being positioned to serve as the backbone for a new era of faceless content creation, where high-quality aerial cinematography is accessible to everyone, everywhere. As we look at the broader landscape of the DJI Neo 3, we have to consider the ecosystem. DJI is known for creating symbiotic hardware, and the rumored compatibility between the DJI Neo 3 and the newest suite of DJI audio gear and handheld gimbals is a game-changer. Think about a workflow where your audio capture, your handheld camera work, and your aerial shots are all synced under the same mobile ecosystem. The DJI Neo 3 is likely to act as the primary aerial node in this network. We are tracking reports that the post-processing software for the DJI Neo 3 will include native AI-assisted color grading and stabilization profiles designed specifically for the lens characteristics of this drone, saving you hours in the editing room. The hype surrounding the DJI Neo 3 isn't just marketing noise. It's a reflection of the hardware's potential to disrupt the entire industry. When you analyze the leaked specifications, the 4K per 120 frames per second capability, the Open-Grille cooling, the advanced AI tracking, and the improved low-light sensor, you begin to realize that the DJI Neo 3 is not just another upgrade. It is a consolidation of professional-grade features into a form factor that removes all barriers to entry. For the professional, it's a high-utility tool for tight spaces. For the beginner, it's a gateway into cinematic artistry that was once reserved for those with deep pockets and massive gear bags. We have seen this pattern before, but the speed and precision of the DJI Neo 3 leaks suggest that the development cycle is tighter and more focused than anything DJI has attempted in recent years. There is a clear intention to make the DJI Neo 3 the standard bearer for 2026. Whether you're building a channel that focuses on tech reviews, travel, or documentary-style narratives, the DJI Neo 3 offers a level of visual fidelity that ensures your content stands out in the increasingly crowded premium creator market. The sheer amount of data being fed into the development of the DJI Neo 3's flight controllers and optical stabilization software means that the out-of-the-box experience will likely be the most polished in the company's history. As we continue to monitor the situation, the focus shifts to the official release window. Everything points to the DJI Neo 3 being the highlight of the late 2026 hardware cycle. There's a reason why so many leaks are surfacing now. The industry is preparing for a product that forces a reevaluation of every other drone on the market. If you are currently shopping for a drone, the smartest move you can make is to hold off and see how the DJI Neo 3 stacks up against your current requirements. The potential for the DJI Neo 3 to provide 4K per 120 frames per second is the ultimate hook. It allows for that silky smooth cinematic look that has become the trademark of high-end YouTube production. The DJI Neo 3 represents a marriage of convenience and power. It is designed for the creator who wants the best possible footage without sacrificing the ability to move quickly and pack light. In a world where audience retention is driven by visual quality and dynamic camera movement, the DJI Neo 3 gives you a massive advantage. Imagine being able to deploy a drone in seconds, capture complex tracking shots, and return it to your palm, all while recording footage that is indistinguishable from much larger, more cumbersome systems. That is the promise of the DJI Neo 3. As we move closer to the launch, keep your eyes on the specific technical updates regarding the DJI Neo 3's software ecosystem. The integration of quick shots and automated cinematic modes in the DJI Neo 3 is expected to be more intuitive than ever. DJI is reportedly leveraging their massive repository of flight data to train the DJI Neo 3 to handle complex maneuvers with a human-like touch. This means even if you're not an expert pilot, The DJI Neo 3 will make your footage look like it was filmed by a pro. The DJI Neo 3 is effectively democratizing the professional aerial aesthetic. It is rare to see this level of confidence in the leaks surrounding a pre-launch device, but the DJI Neo 3 is clearly the centerpiece of DJI's strategy for the coming year. Whether it is the upgraded obstacle avoidance, the refined aerodynamics of the chassis, or the sheer raw power of the imaging system, everything about the DJI Neo 3 screams premium. If you care about the future of tech, if you care about the quality of your content, and if you're looking for the next major leap in consumer electronics, the DJI Neo 3 is the one to watch. The engineering behind the DJI Neo 3 is designed to withstand the rigors of real-world use, ensuring that it remains a relevant, high-performance tool for years to come. When we talk about faceless video creation, we are talking about the power of the visuals to carry the narrative. With the DJI Neo 3, you are not just getting a drone, you're getting a dedicated cinematographic assistant. Its ability to capture high frame rate, high-resolution footage in a package that is barely noticeable in your backpack is exactly what makes the DJI Neo 3 the ultimate tool for the modern creator. The DJI Neo 3 is the realization of the promise that drones would eventually become as simple and powerful as a smartphone camera, yet as capable as a professional cinema rig. Stay tuned as we continue to aggregate every piece of information regarding the DJI Neo 3. From internal chip architecture to the external design tweaks like the Open-Grille, we are committed to keeping you updated. The DJI Neo 3 is more than just a leak. It is a preview of the next chapter in aerial storytelling. Every frame captured by the DJI Neo 3 will be a testament to the advancements in optics, AI, and battery efficiency that DJI has been perfecting. The era of the DJI Neo 3 is almost upon us, and the landscape of tech is about to get a whole lot more exciting. This is the moment to prepare, to get ready, and to understand exactly what the DJI Neo 3 brings to the table, so that when it finally drops, you're the first to harness its potential.